bit of a gap over here now. The neighbour's been anti-foul. She's wanting to go back in. It looks like we have kept our gloss. Yay! I had the hatch propped up as the pneumatic ram is disconnected, and it landed on my head. Bit of a headache, bit of claret, but I'm alright.
That looks better.
We've got the steps up onto the elevated deck on both sides. Asking up for lining in here under the windows, and it is a very slow process. So many corners. It's still very windy outside, and we're getting skiffs of rain through, not heavy. That happened last night. Well, just as we're thinking about going for lunch,
The rain is coming.
the rain has come. My demasking's finished, thank God.
Crack down the side here.
So it's actually held up by the topping lift this time. It's reattached without another bang on the head. I've got the pin rail loosely attached. The question is, how do we attach it at that end? Well, I think there's enough spring to actually get it in the join between the windows. It just needs a bit of a twist to get the the holes laying vertical. This is the VHF aerial. It's gone inside. I'll talk about fiddly. Well, proof of concept, there's the masthead VHF aerial feed, goes into an aerial splitter, and then the aerial's in the back of the radio, and it's much clearer. Just replacing the broken mount for the spotlight. I have new solar deck lights. We'll put the junction box for all the nav lights on the mast at the flat area here. I've decided to go for a smaller box. Memo to self, don't make it so thick next time. We have the wires from the boat into the box. All the labels have fallen off because it's been wet, so we'll just use the multimeter and figure out what's what. Wiring sorted, just needs to be connected. Okay, wired up on a terminal block. We have a deck light, and we have a mast light. Can't actually see the top of the mast at the moment. I've reinstalled the hinges on the mid hatches. Well, we have managed to finish this off and discovered this under the settee. Well, that looks better. I'm getting the trim installed. Lining is installed. Trim is on. Looking better.